JavaScript practice chapter by chapter based on the book A Smarter Way to Learn JavaScript by Mark Mayers. Chapter 1 Alerts.
Chapter 1 Alerts. Topic 1 Simple Greeting. Alert. Show a pop-up greeting when the page loads. Alert. Welcome to my website. 2. Show a message on the web page, not alert. Displaying a message directly on the page, not as alert. Document.write. Welcome to the JavaScript practice page. Topic 3 Alert with line break. Showing an alert with 2 lines. Alert, wrong, only letters are allowed, numbers are not accepted. Topic 4 Multiple alerts in sequence. Showing 3 different alerts, one after another. Alert, first alert, hello, alert, second alert, how are you, alert, third alert, how's the weather. Each alert waits until you click OK before showing the next. Topic 5 Console message instead of alert. Writing a message that appears only in the developer console. Console.log, hey there, missing you.